Welcome to Knut Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools and services provider. Today we are introducing the Ace Laser 4020 4.0 laser cutting system. At Knut Machine Tools, we rely on the latest fiber laser technology for laser cutting. The cutting systems of the Ace Laser series are available with a cutting width of up to 2 meters and a cutting length of up to 6 meters. Our machines are equipped with high-power continuous fiber laser sources provided by Raycus. The standard range is from 1000 watts to 4000 watts, but we also offer higher models upon request. The model presented in this video has a working area of 4000 mm in length and 2000 mm width and is equipped with a powerful 4000 watt laser source. The control of the machine is done through a high-performance CNC system with short look-ahead processing time and intelligent speed control. The machine comes with a pre-configured library of cutting parameters to ensure the best cutting experience. The automatic exchange table system minimizes production downtime since the table may be loaded or unloaded efficiently during the cutting process. To ensure a safe environment, the cutting system is equipped with a closed machine housing and a powerful filter system. 2 cameras provide complete real-time monitoring of the entire cutting process. Raycus fiber laser sources are known for their high electro-optical conversion efficiency and high light beam quality. Above all, their maintenance requirement is minimum. The high-quality cutting head is made by the Swiss brand Ray Tools and comes with a built-in motor and linear drive, assuring a precise motorized focus position adjustment. The automatic gas console is also part of the extensive package of standard accessories of the Ace Laser series. This guarantees the safe dosing of gas for a high-quality cutting. The machine presented here also has the optional tube cutting station. With our cutting station, complex tube designs may be implemented. We can provide cutting systems for tubes of 3 meters in length and a diameter of 150 millimeters. The special design of the front chuck allows cutting of both round and rectangular tubes. At Knut Machine Tools, we offer a wide variety of cutting solutions for your business. Contact us today to find out more.